Hello and welcome to the LimoWiz training channel. In this video I will show you how to pay a trip in LimoWiz. First, let's go to the dispatch icon on the top toolbar. Click Find. This will display the trips for a certain date. Assuming we want to pay the first trip in the listing, you have three ways of opening this job. Double click on the trip, or click the edit, or go directly to the payment window. Let's click the edit button. Assuming the parking now is $10, start 10, hit enter, and then the price will be updated on the screen. Next, we'll go to the pay icon on the top toolbar. Click Pay. The trip payment date, payment type, leave it as payment. How paid, you have several options in there. Check or authorization number if it's done manually. And the amount to pay. The credit cards that are on file are shown in the drop-down list. For now, let's assume we want to pay only $1 in cash. So, in the How Paid, select Cash, type $1, and then click Process. LimoWiz will record the payment for you as shown at the bottom of the screen, and will prompt you if you want to email an invoice. Let's say no for now. Next, we will pay the trip via credit card. So let's go ahead and clear How Paid and select from the drop-down list one of the credit cards that we have on file for this client. Of course, we assume that the credit card processing merchant account is already set up in LimoWiz. And we want to only pay $1. So you click on the amount to pay, type $1. Here in the How Paid, it is not required to select How Paid. LimoWiz knows that you selected a credit card. Click Process. LimoWiz will display a message whether the transaction has been approved or not. In this case, it has been approved. Great. So we'll click OK. LimoWiz will then record the payment and prompt us if you want to email a confirmation receipt to the client. Let's click No for now. Now let's say we want to pay the rest via check. So let's go ahead and clear the credit card from the drop-down list. Select Company Check. Type in the check number, and the rest of the amount will be $141.75. Click Process Payment. This will pay the trip then in full. And the total amount due will be 0. Once it's finalized, click on the Close button. On the payment window, you have several options. As you can see, you can pre-authorize a credit card transaction. Then after the job is completed, you could come back and put an amount that you want to post-authorize for, and click on the Post Authorize button. If you made a mistake on a credit card charge, let's say that this credit card charge is not valid, or you made a mistake, click on it and then click the Void option. The Issue Credit Card Refund is normally done after the batch has been done by the credit card processing company. You come back to the payment window, you type in the amount that you want to refund, and you type it here. And then you click on the Issue Credit Card button. Make sure that you adjust the trip for the difference. The Void Issued Credit basically reverses the credit option. And if the credit card has been expired and you want to issue credit for, you can update the credit card expiration date by clicking on this button. Delete payment allows you to delete a payment. Now, you should not be deleting a credit card payment unless it's absolutely necessary. Usually you would use the void sale or issue credit button. That's it. Thank you for watching.